Hello?
Hello po.
Hi, magandang hating gabi sa Pilipinas.
Yes, good evening po. Ako,
Good,
sorry.
good evening. Anong pangalan?
Blue.
Blue.
Yes.
Ako ng pusang pangalan yan. Paano spelling ng blue?
Siyempre, the color blue.
Yung blue, yung I'm blue. If I was green, I would die. If I was green, I would die. Alam mo yung kantang yan?
Hindi po eh.
Ilang taong ka na ba?
37.
Oh, dapat alam mo yun. Edad mo yun ah. Ako hindi. Ako nga, bata pa ako. Alam ko yun eh. Si Blue ay nasaan ngayong gabi?
Bulacan.
Sa Bulacan. Nandiyan nanay ko.
Malapit nga yun. Ay, hindi. Parang 30 minutes away.
Sa ano ka ano? Tawag nito, DRT ka ano?
O hindi po.
Ano?
Sentro. Binigay din. Malolos
Santa
po.
Maria ka din.
Malolos po, malolos.
Malolos. Malolos.
Yes.
Okay. Si Blue ay 37 from Malolos, Bulacan. Anong ginagawa sa buhay ni Blue?
Team leader.
Sa call center.
Hindi naman po. Shared services naman po. Pero US company pa rin.
Offshore ano pa rin? Offshore pa rin.
Offshore. Yes po, offshore.
Team leader. O di wala ka na komisyon.
Wala po. Wala po noon ever since.
May mga friends ako sa ganyang industry. Ayaw nila na po-promote sila kasi nawawalan sila komisyon. Oo.
Ay, mga opo.
Pag agent,
Sa
may
iba
komisyon. Di ba pag naging team leader ka na, maaangat na yung sweldo mo, mawawalan ka na komisyon. Parang ganon.
Opo. Mawawalan ka rin ng night leave.
Oo, parang ganon. Pero iba na yung bayad sa'yo. Fixed na, mataas na.
Opo.
Oo, di ba? May kaibigan nga ako eh. Ang bayad sa kanya, mali-malitang pera eh.
Ay, sana all.
Charot lang. Anyway, si Blue, may asawa na ba si Blue?
Hiwalay.
Hiwalay. May anak.
Dalawa.
Dalawang?
Two boys.
2 boys. Alright. Ilang taon na yung panganay mo?
10 po.
10 years old.
Yes.
Yung bunso mo?
8.
Ha?
8.
8. Okay.
Yes.
Sige. Ba't ka napatawag sa akin?
Actually, parang ako nagkakaroon ako. Parang naririnig ko yung sarili ko, Papa Jack. Okay lang ba yun?
Parang narinig mo yung sarili mo?
Oo, on the background.
Nakabukas ba yung TikTok mo dyan o may pinapanood kang live?
Wala.
Hayaan mo lang. Sarili mo naman eh. Di ba? Oo.
Baka kasi pangit pagdating sa'yo dyan.
Nakakatakot nga kung kausap mo ko, narinig mo yung tiyahin mo na mayapa. Di ba? Yung nakakatakot yun. Di ba? Pero yung narinig mo sarili mo, at least sarili mo. Sige. Sige.
So, ayun po. Parang kinakausap ko tuloy sarili ko. Anyways, parang ako kasi nagkaka-anxiety right now.
Bakit?
Because I have a trip later with someone na sabihin na natin na nililigaw.
Nalako?
So, I have a trip.
Hindi yan anxiety, butterfly stomach yan.
Delikado to.
Nako. May isang teka lang, masag maganda. Kinikilig kami lang. Sandal mo sana ang ulo mo sa unan. Katawan mo ay aking ulala. Teka lang muna, may trip kayo mama. May manliligaw ka, mamaya may trip kayo. Teka lang, kailan yung last ka nagkaroon ng jowa bago yung mamaya? Ay, hindi pa mo pala jowa pero kailan yung last mo?
Last year? Pero ano yun eh, AFAM yun eh, yung LDR AFAM yun.
Nakita kayo nun?
Counted ba yun?
Nakita kayo nun?
Hindi po.
Online lang? Sayang, ang laki pa naman nun.
Hindi.
Yung budget. Kasi syempre iba yung dollars. Uy, laka. Ano bang iniisip mong? Grabe game. Sige.
Ayun.
Ano rin yung malaki? Yung budget. Ano bang iniisip yung malaki mga bastos to mga.
So, kayo talaga eh. Ayun, so may trip later.
Saan kayo pupunta?
Sambales with the family.
Family
Diba
Nino?
yan, sobrang na detailed. Baka mahulaan na ako.
Family Nino?
Niya.
Family niya. Okay.
Oo.
Mhm.
So, ayun.
Mhm. Tapos, paano nga pala kayo nagkakilala?
Ano siya, friend ko siya 16 years ago. College days.
So you've known each other sa college days mo pa lang. So you're not kumbaga strangers to each others naman.
Yes, so
that's good.
And may history din kami noon. Kumbaga naging link kami that time. Ang issue ang issue naman that time is so we try, pero na-feel ko na parang hindi siya yung connected talaga kasi meron siyang ibang gusto. Yun. So nag-disappear ako.
Pero nung naging kayo, nung nagkaroon kayo ng something noon, college pa kayo noon?
College ako kasi mas matanda siya sa akin.
Okay. Ano yun? Nag-usap lang kayo noon? Nag-kiss naman kayo noon?
Meron naman noon.
Hindi kaya ko, alam mo kaya ko tinatanong kasi whatever was in the past, it becomes the expectation of what's going or what might happen later. Kaya ka kinakabahan. Diba? Hindi, wag tayo maglokohan. Kung nagtalik na kayo noon, most likely magkatalik kayo mamaya.
Hindi din eh. Kasi ano yun eh, family gathering. Saka wala naman kami.
So ibig sabihin...
Wala pa kami doon sa ganung point kasi nga...
No. Okay. Look, let's not pretend as if you don't like the guy. Gusto mo yan.
Yes.
If anything, you're just waiting for some, siguro mga lucky day for formality. Pero yan na yun eh. Hindi ka para sumama sa family outing nila. Kung hindi mo siya gusto.
Actually, Papa Jack, there's more.
Oh, what more?
Yung reason na itinaka-anxiety ko. Ba yan? Ang hirap. Sana hindi na ako makilala.
Wala. Hindi ako sikat. Walang gaano nanonood sa akin. Ano ka ba?
There's another guy kasi. Pero this another guy, hindi naman talaga kami as in may understanding. Wala kaming understanding. Parang ako yung may gusto. And then, yung sa feeling ko, parang habang kausap ko tong other guy, tapos aalis ako with someone, parang feeling ko na baby-tray, parang ganun. Pero wala naman kaming commitment, hindi nga niya alam na gusto ko siya, ganun.
Anong meron sa inyo? Wait lang. Anong meron sa inyo na lalaki yun? Nagkikita kayo?
Before, kasi nasa, siya somewhere down the road. So nasa malayo siya, so hindi kami nakikita. Pero continuous yung communication.
Ano meron sa inyo? I mean, may landian kayo?
Before.
So nakaka-sex mo yon?
Once.
That's a lie.
Once. Totoo yun.
Alam mo, mas magandang aminin mo yung totoo sa akin kaysa matawag kitang tanga.
Kasi Papa Jack, yun, one night stand.
So you had a one night stand with the guy. The guy who never said diba, that he likes you.
Yeah.
And you feel like you're going to betray him but he never committed himself to you?
Yes. Yun nga eh. Yun yung pangit. Alam ko naman kung paano ko i-value yung sarili ko. Kaya nga, hindi ako naghahabol sa kanya. Tinatry kong makipag-usap ng casual, ganyan. Nanginginig ako. Ayun. Pero, parang ganun yung feeling pa rin.
Ulitin mo yung isa sinabi mo, ma'am.
Tinatry ko makipag-usap sa kanya ng casual.
I value myself ka mo.
opo. Really? I know naman how.
You value yourself?
Somehow.
Mavuvu?
Somehow. First time ko rin yung nakipag one night stand noon. And I found out after that night
Wait
na...
Wait lang. What are the circumstances? Ba't kayo nauwi sa ganun?
It's a trip.
Ha?
It's vacation trip din. And then, we're in a one room.
Bakit nakilig mo sa vacation trip? Ha?
Mahilig ako mag-beach.
Bakit nakilig mo sa vacation trip? Ha?
No,
when did that happen?
Last year.
Last year. Okay.
Mm-mm.
Paano vacation trip and you ended up, I mean, how did you know the guy? You've known the guy for a long time or na-meet mo siya nung trip na yun? Paano?
Common friend.
So, may lakad ng mga magkakaibigan and you met each other for the first time there, tama?
Hindi na, second time.
Second time. The first time, did you like each other na? The first time?
Small talk.
So may sexual tension the first time?
Parang.
Okay. The second time, may sexual activity na?
Oo.
Okay. What year last year? What month last year? I'm sorry. What month last year?
Specific.
Yes.
Summer last year.
So same time of the year last year. Maybe around
ano rin.
Okay.
Parang ano rin.
April, May. March, April.
Tapos,
okay. So March
din ngayon.
Okay, so March, April. March, April last year, you had the one night stand with the guy. Obviously, you like the guy, tama?
Yes.
Okay.
Ay, grabe na. Nasasabi ko na siya ng director. Yes. So,
yeah, of course. Unless sobrang landi mo at nagpapahubad ka ng panis sa lalaki hindi mo gusto.
Hindi naman po.
Okay.
Pero kasi dati parang in denial ako na.
Gusto mo yun?
Ako na-attach lang ako. Ayun.
Okay. All right. So, something happened between the two of you, tama?
Yes po.
Okay. But he never committed himself to you?
Yes, never.
Question pa ba yun sa'yo? I mean, hindi ba that malinaw sa'yo that the guy that doesn't like you at all?
Sobrang linaw nga, Papa John. Kaya nga hindi ko alam bakit di ako makamove.
No, that's not the question. The question now, the more important question now is, why do you feel like you're betraying him?
Hindi ko rin alam. Ganun yung feeling ko.
Why do you feel like is there something you're not telling me? There is something you're not telling me.
Ano pa ba? Siguro, kasi I fantasize a life with him. Parang ganun yung tumakbo sa akin last year.
You guys, how do you communicate? What?
Kamustahan.
When was the last time that you communicated?
Kanina.
Okay. When did you start talking to this guy you're about to go out of town with later?
Kanina rin.
Kanina lang nag-start yung yung sasamahan mo?
Nag-start noong December.
Okay. So, a good January, February, March, April, a good 4 months, a quarter of a year, you were talking to two guys, tama?
Opo.
Okay. I want you to be very honest with me. Okay? Okay. The guy from last year. Do you have sexual conversation over chat?
Wala po.
Wala.
Lang, siguro pagka nagpo-call siya, siguro parang reminisce nung nangyari nung that night na biruan lang na sabi niya ang hot noon, ganun.
Sure kayo lang?
Opo, mga ganun, yung ganung usapan lang.
Sure kayo lang?
Opo.
Because that's not
wala kaming live session. Baka kasi yun tinatanong. Hindi po ako nag-live selling.
Uy, ba't love selling ka dyan?
Hindi nga, sa promise, hindi.
Never, no. I'm going to interpret a lot of things to you. Never kanyang hiningian ng pasan naman ng picture na ganito. Kasi hiningian na sa inyo
eh. Never. Walang ganun. Napakabait.
He's crossed hindi siya mabait.
Okay, sorry.
He's crossed that boundary already. Okay? So now, ganito. I'm asking you this because I want to know kung gaano kanya kagusto. I mean, if he really likes you, you would have had hints that he wants, yung mga harot na yon kahit online lang. He'd maintain that. If he really likes you.
Mm-hmm.
But the fact that he hindi niya hinihingi sa'yo, I'm not saying tamang gawin. I'm just saying, I'm trying to interpret, di ba, where this guy is coming from. The fact na hindi niya hinihingi sa'yo to or he does not give you a hint, di ba, na patingin nga or whatnot, he's not looking forward to it anymore. If you're telling me the truth, so that's why I'm asking, I'm telling you, tell me the truth. Kasi mararamdaman mo if he's looking forward to it again. So I'm asking you ngayon, is there anything more than just...
From him, wala. Parang ako yung...
Ikaw nag-o-offer? Tingnan mo to,
Hindi ako
nag-o-offer. Ano?
Parang ako yung nagpa-fantasize or naglo-look forward for it.
Do you tell him that?
No. Siyempre hindi. Bakit ko sasabihin?
You're bound gently down the street.
I know how, pero hindi ba?
Okay. Well, kaya ako sinasabi sa ito because if I'm the guy and I know that you like me, it's now the guy's obligation to tell you that he likes you if he likes you. Kasi given ka na eh. Alam natin gusto mo siya eh. Alam niyang gusto mo siya. Tama? He knows that you like him. Alam niya. Yes. The fact that he's not looking forward to it, ibig sabihin, yung nangyari ng gabing yun is just, hit and run.
Wala lang.
Look, ganito, you're an adult, Blue. Okay. You're an adult. I think you're an accomplished woman. You earn your own keep. Wala akong karapatan pangimasukan yung buhay mo. But here we are now having this conversation. Okay? We cannot stop you from liking a guy to a certain degree that you want to show that you like the guy. Gets mo? I mean, if you tell us, Papa Jackson, may naka-one night stand ako summer last year. Alam mo, may mga pagkakataon, ini-spread ko tapos pinapakita ko sa kanya to. Hindi, no. Hindi para pigilan, sabihin ko lang sa'yo, magpakita yung mukha mo ha. Baka mamaya kumalat yan. Lahat ng scandal nag-umpisa sa di ba? Nag-umpisa sa atin lang to ha. Lahat ng scandal nag-umpisa lang sa atin lang to ha. Naintindihan mo yung point ko? Okay, now, I'm telling you this because I'm just trying to interpret that the guy does not like you that much. You have to let go of that now.
How?
Maybe stop talking to the guy.
May business kami together.
You have a business together?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Your situation is very much convoluted. Ano yun?
Niisip ko tuloy kung sasabihin ko sa kanya para it directly manggaling sa kanya. Baka sakaling mas matanggap ko yun. Yung rejection ba?
Oh well, ready ka ba? I mean, you can ask him on a very transactional manner. Hey, you know what, business partner, di ba? Nag-sex tayo last year. Do you like me or was it just a one night thing? Kung ayaw mo sa akin, just tell me. You can ask him that.
Mas matatanggap ko yung ganun.
Wala ka naman kailangan tanggapin. No. Huwag tayo mag-usap na parang kailangan mo tanggapin to or whatnot. No? Wala naman choice.
Oo.
I don't know if it's too late, but don't go later.
Don't go?
Yeah. Do you want me to defend why?
Sige po.
You want me to defend why?
Sige po.
Because you don't like this guy. Hindi mo gusto itong lalaki ito.
Ang inisip ko naman, baka kasi kaya kinukulong ko yung sarili ko sa kanya, may namimiss naman akong opportunity.
Yeah, there you go. So you're just using another guy. You're just using another guy.
Using yun.
Yeah, siguro kung halimbawa nakausap mo na yung business partner mo na nakasex mo last year at nagsettle na kayo, you can go out with this guy. Okay, let's try to paint a scenario. Ready?
Sige po.
Sumama ka mamaya. Nagkamabutihan kayo. Of course, ipapakilala ka sa family. Tama? That means something. Huwag tayong maglukuhan. It has to mean something. Tama mali?
Tama.
Pinakilala ka sa magulang. Nagkamabutihan kayo, di ba? One thing led to another, blah blah blah, and then here you go. After na magiging kayo na, malalaman niya na may business partner ka na dati mo nakasex. Na hindi pa tapos yung issue mo doon. Do you think the guy will like you? Still kapag nalaman.
Another problem.
Nagets mo yung point ko? Try to tie the loose ends muna bago ka pumasok sa ibang ano. Because most likely you're going to have sex with this guy. Look, you are 37 years old. You're open to it. You're probably gonna do it with this guy. But look, hindi kita i-judge. If, di ba, pangangailangan, who cares? Bahala ka dyan. But end of the day, you're going to complicate your own situation. Settle mo muna yan. If I were you, kumawala ka na sa business na yan. Ano ba negosyo nyo?
Sobra-sobra ng details. Food.
Food. Madaling kumawala dyan. Hindi naman malaki yan eh. Food cart lang yan eh.
Opo.
Okay. Madali yan. Give it up.
Okay.
When?
Pag may pera na ako, ibalik yung pera niya.
Or pwede kang magpa-buy out sa kanya.
Parang hindi niya makukontinue yun pag stay.
Well, there's really risk, no? Sleeping with your business partner. Don't go.
Hindi naman na ngayon.
Look. You had sex with him. That started everything. Tama?
Opo.
Okay, don't go later. That's not fair for the other guy. Don't be a player.
Okay.
Narinig mo ako?
Yes po, opo.
Don't go later.
Opo.
Alibay ka na lang. Hindi ko alam kung ano pwedeng alibay. Next time na lang, may tubong kaliskis sa balakang ko. Bahala na. I don't know. Don't go later. Hindi fair. Hindi fair yan.
Ay, thank you so much, Papa Jack.
Can I make an inquiry?
Yes po.
Is your business partner married?
Hindi po.
May karelasyon?
Mm-mm.
Kabit ka pala. Kabit ka, di ba?
Kabit ba maituturing yun?
Anong tawag doon?
Hindi ko alam. Kasi parang sa kanya naman is tropa kami.
Gusto mo ng ganong lalaking gusto mo, nabigay mo na yung panty mo at lahat, tropa pa rin tingin sa'yo.
Yan kayo ko.
There you go. Well, you deserve so much better, Blue. That I believe for you. Hindi ko lang alam kung ikaw naniniwala ka that you deserve that.
Naniniwala po. Sobra. Kaya nga, gusto kong parang ayokong may malagpasan na opportunity ba, kumbaga. Kaya gusto ko rin iayos yung sarili ko. Yan.
Good luck po.
Thank you po.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you po, Tanya. Thank you po.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.